Hi, I'm Andrew Winkler, and I'm a senior mortgage banker with First Integrity Mortgage Services. Today, I want to talk about why sellers seem to prefer conventional offers over FHA offers. So, why do sellers seem to prefer conventional offers over FHA offers? Well, first, I kind of want to explain what FHA is. A lot of people think it's specifically for first-time home buyers. That is not the case. It does not stand for the First-Time Homeowner Administration or anything like that. It is actually the Federal Housing Administration, and is a government-sponsored loan. So what that means is there are controls in place to make housing more accessible, for everybody. That means when compared to conventional, you can get an FHA loan with a lower credit score, than you could a conventional loan. You can get it approved with a higher debt to income ratio. And I think a lot of the times that gives a perception, gives a perception that these, buyers may not be as qualified as conventional borrowers. But that's simply not the case. They're just slightly different loans that have different fits for different people. But one key difference, financially on the, financial side with FHA is, in addition to regular monthly mortgage insurance, you are also going to pay upfront mortgage insurance in the amount of 1.75% of the purchase price. That can be, so it's $200,000 home that could be almost $4,000. So, and that's financed in the loan. In addition to the monthly mortgage insurance that you will pay, it never falls off the loan. Depending on how much you put down, 10% or less, it will be on there for the life of the loan. The only way to get it off is to refinance. Whereas a conventional loan, if you're putting down 20%, you don't have to pay mortgage insurance, and it automatically falls off when you get to 22% equity in the home. I mentioned the perception. The loans actually get approved at the same rate, so it's somewhat of an unfair perception. The biggest difference, I think, that sellers are, hesitant to list or to take FHA offers. I think the biggest reason would be the FHA appraisal. Since it is a government-sponsored entity, it will have to meet HUD minimum property standards. So it's basically an appraisal, but with the added focus on safety. If there's issues that the appraisal picks up on, they might need to be fixed before you close. So I think that's the big reason a lot of people are fearful. They don't want to spend money, on the house that they don't have to spend. So sometimes they might not consider those offers when you have a conventional and FHA of the same amount. So there are two good reasons. If your property has safety issues or a big gaping hole in the roof, it's probably not going to pass the FHA appraisal. So but in fairness to the buyers, they deserve to know those type of things. So. And the other really good reason, is condo. If you have a condo and it's not already FHA approved, that is a valid reason, for not considering these offers. But in actuality, there's different fits for everybody. Speak to your loan officer, who can help you illustrate what the differences are and make the best decision for you, and not for the seller, because you are the one that is, buying the home. They should have, really no say in what kind of loan you get. Thank you. Andrew Winkler. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, reach out via text, email, phone call. Thanks for watching.